Hey, what's up guys? Jason here, and I just found this awesome day spa called Wind Rush. I'm gonna keep the camera on me and show the products also. She's a little shy, guys, so it's okay, it's new, but some really great products here. She looks amazing, yo. Like, I'm telling you guys, like, just by seeing how beautiful she's looking, I'm gonna have to go get a day spa because, I gotta knock some ages off of me. So go ahead and tell us about the day spa.
Okay,
How long have you been in business?
So I've been the day spa's 10 years old this year. We also a beauty salon, so we do quite a bit, and a nail bar. So
Guys, now when I came up here, she was like, "We're just a day spa." I'd get my nails done. You don't see do you see the pop in these?
Put glitter on them for you.
Hey, I take glitter, guys. Like, I'm not going to complain. This is more than a day spa. It's been around 10 years. And so what is your best product that you would recommend for someone?
Well, product-wise, it all depends on the person and the skin type. With the regards to the day spa, we do massages, we do pedicures, facials,
Pamper packages, guys. I'm learning more every second she's talking to me, and she told me, "I'll just have a day spa." See, guys, there's a lot of services here.
And products we use are all natural. They're locally manufactured. It's called the Gull's Nest. I personally been using it for about 24 years, so it's quite a safe range to use on any skin type.
Okay.
What else would you like to know?
Where can they find you?
We at Rustic Timber Free Range Lifestyle Center in Four Ways.
Come talk about your business.
Okay. I'm gonna get you next. So guys, make sure you check out Wind Rush. I just saw they have some special here, really good prices. So let me show you these. And if you're coming from the US here, the massages in South Africa, they're so cheap you feel like you're stealing. Like, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Like, this is crazy what you can get. So you see back massage for 30 minutes.
That's for 2 people.
Oh.
That's a special for today.
All right. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna find a random person that wants a massage and I'm gonna get them one. Like, this is ridiculous. She is literally sitting here talking about, "Oh, we just have a day spa." And she has all of these great specials, great prices. Like, come on, guys. We have to start supporting these type of businesses. Like, this is what I'm talking about. 2-for-1 special back massage, 400 Rand. Full body massage, 60 minutes, 600 Rand. Do you know how much a 60-minute massage costs in the U.S.? I was paying well over 2,000 to 3,000 Rand. Come on now. And they wasn't that good. Neck and shoulder massage, 15 minutes for $250. You know what? Just seeing that price, I might have to end up getting a neck and shoulder massage because you can't turn that down, guys. So I just wanted to let you know, this is Wind Rush Day Spa. Make sure you check them out. Here's the information here. And if you saw the quick glimpse, you can see the lovely lady. She's amazing, wonderful person. And make sure you check them out, guys.